Should you buy an investment property in Singapore for rental? Dollar-back mortgage. Property investment in Singapore has provided quite lucrative for investors and home buyers. The prices for private and public housing have increased remarkably in the past. In fact, on certain occasions, the government had to set in and impose cooling measures to ensure home affordability for Singapore's citizens. With the implementation of restrictions and cooling measures like the additional buyer's stamp duties, ABSD, and total debt servicing ratio, TDSR, purchasing property has been more expensive than before. Fortunately, there are other ways to invest in property than just buying and selling. In Singapore, you can earn a decent sum of passive income through renting alone. In this article, we will find out whether you should purchase an investment property to uh, capitalize capitalize on soaring in rental price in Singapore. So let's start. How can you make money from property in Singapore? Buying a property in Singapore is a popular way to grow your money. There are two ways you can make money out of your investment property: capital appreciation. The price of or value of your property grows over time, which means you can sell the property and enjoy capital gains. Be sure to factor in things that encourage better capital appreciation when buying a property, such as infrastructure improvements or upcoming MRT stations. Rental income. Your property can provide you with a steady stream of rental income that is largely passive. Remember, the higher the rental yield, the better the return on your investment, even before you sell your property. The calculate simply add up all the rental income earned in a year and convert it into a percentage of your property value. Many homebuyers use the rental money received to pay the installments of their current home loan. Is buying a rental property in Singapore a good investment? With housing rents rising at a record pace, the Singapore residential property market is both the ever rents of private residential landed and non-landed properties have been increasing from the start of 2022 and continued to climb up in the third quarter of 2023. According to property experts, this trend is expected to continue in the short term. While tenants are feeling the heat of the red hot rental segment and digging deeper into their pocket for fork out higher rent, aspiring landlords are also struggling to make their way into the Singapore property market thanks to rising property prices and high interest rates. What are the reasons behind the rental surge in Singapore? In today's red hot rental segment in Singapore, largely due to the COVID-19 related construction delay of new condos and HDB flats, landlords are already anticipating further interest rate hikes and thus not open to negotiating any terms due to which renters have to overbid on place they really want.